Hello, I'm Sabrina and I'm a PhD student from Southwest WA, where we had some bushfires go through in 2016. These can be pretty devastating, like what we've seen on the east coast, but bushfires also present chances for new life. Straight after the fires, the bush looks like this, but a few weeks later, things start looking like this. Lots of seeds start germinating and the bush comes back to life. This fascinating phenomenon is caused by compounds in bushfire smoke called characters. Characters are responsible for triggering seed germination, and my lab works on understanding what happens between here and here. Now, imagine it's my birthday and I send you an invite. This gets shuttled across town on a postie bike and delivered to you. You get the message and as a result, get into party mood. Now, instead of the birthday invite being a signal, it's characters. And instead of a postie bike, we have proteins. These are tiny molecular machines inside plant cells which have a range of functions. In this case, it's binding to characters and relaying the signal. Finally, instead of you, it's a seed, which gets the message and germinates. It's these proteins that my lab works on. We want to understand how they deliver the signal and get a dormant seed to wake up. One of the main techniques we use is X-ray crystallography. We get our proteins, make them highly pure, and then crystallize them. By firing X-rays at the crystals and doing some cool maths with a pattern of spots that come out the other side, we can figure out the protein's atomic structure. Now, how is this useful? Well, here we have a fork. By looking at its structure, we can tell its function. It's very useful for stabbing potatoes. The same with proteins. If you know their structure, you get info about their function, so we can figure out how they bind charactins, deliver the signal, and trigger germination. Overall, by understanding this process, we have the potential for new tools in conservation, restoration, agriculture, and horticulture, all from having knowledge about the fundamental concept of how plants grow.